Hello dear students, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
Yes, I am fit as fiddle, I'm fine. And now the topic that we want to discuss is should. Should is used for obligations, right? Advice and good things. Like if you want to say something about obligation, obligation is what? To respect our parents, right?
Yes.
What is obligation? And we should offer prayers. This is obligation. Advice, you should help your friends. आपको अपने friends की मदद करनी चाहिए. So this is advice. And good things, what? You should get up early in the morning. You should brush your teeth. This is good thing. Should is used for obligations, advice, and good things. Should is used for obligations, advice, and good things. Now look here, look here, look here. If I say you should obey your parents, this is obligation. If I say you should help your friends, this is advice. And you should get up early, you should brush your teeth, this is good thing, good thing. So in negative sentences, how can we use? She should not waste her time, they should not quarrel, you should not spit on the floor. Okay. For interrogative, how can you use? Should will be at the start of the sentence. Should we visit our injured uncle? Should we reach there in time? Should we respect our elders? Now you will change the following sentences into negative. आपने negative में किस तरह से change करना है? I should not go now. I should go now. I should not go now. We should help Aslam. We should not help Aslam. You should sleep now. You should not sleep now. She should work hard. She should
Not work hard.
After should you will use not, and after not you will use first form of verb. He should brush his teeth. He should not brush his teeth. They should attend the party. They should not attend the party. How can you convert into negative? Now change the following sentences into interrogative. Interrogative में किस तरह से कर सकते हैं? I should buy a pen. Should I? Should will be at the start of the sentence. Should I buy the pen? We should learn to drive. Should we learn to drive? You should complete your work. Should you complete your work? She should sew her clothes. Should she sew her clothes? He should iron his clothes. Should will be at the start of the sentence. Where should will be? In interrogative sentences, should will be in the start of the sentence. Okay. Now he should iron his clothes. Should he iron his clothes? They should drink milk. They should drink milk. Should they drink milk? We should not cage the parrot. Should we not cage the parrot? The man should not beat the horse. The man should the man not beat the horse? So you can, in this way, you can change into negative and interrogative. What? The use of should. Should is used for obligations, advice, and good things. Should is used for obligation, advice, and good things. बंद कर दें.